In this video, we will show you how to blend two faces easily. Hit Ctrl and J on the first image to add another layer. Then go to the second image and click on the lasso tool to select the part of the face that you want. Now copy the part that you selected by hit Ctrl and C, then paste it on the first image. Now hit Ctrl and T to try and shape the face. Right-click on Layer 2 and select the pixels. Then go to Select and click on Inverse, and then click on Modify from Select and choose Expand. Now click on Layer 1 and then go to Select and then click on Inverse. Then hide both Layer 2 and background. And hit the Delete button on the keyboard. Now click on Layer 1 and hit the Control button on the keyboard and click on Layer 2 to select both layers. Then go to Edit and choose Auto Blend Layers. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos.